Hi, it's Jules, and together with my chums in the Foundry Healthcare Club, I've been road testing some mobile healthcare apps over the last few days, so just wanted to tell you a little bit about how I've been getting on. Kicked off in the first instance with something called Mood Panda, which tracks your moods. That really, to be honest with you, only lasted 3 days because it kept on telling me that I was a grumpy cow. And to be honest with you, that's something that I'm quite happy not having empirical evidence of, so I've decided not to do that one anymore. Replaced that with a pedometer one, thought what harm can come of that one, so I downloaded AccuPed, which would have been fine apart from the fact that it tends to be not that accu when you just leave it in your handbag all of the time. So I think the best I ever got with that one was about 2,000 steps, which was a little bit shy of the 10,000 that it says you're supposed to do all day. So that one I've now put on the back burner as well. But calorie counting I'm getting on fine with. That was going really well for the first week. I hit a bit of a hitch on the weekend because I had some wine and some cake over the weekend, and when I came to enter in the values into the app, there weren't any buttons for some wine and some cake, because apparently you're supposed to track exactly how much you have. And yeah, I'm not quite sure how you do that with wine and cake, but anyway, that's a problem that I've yet to sort out. So apart from that, it's been going fine. The only other slight hitch I had with the calorie one was when that Tracey pointed out to me that Greggs don't actually sell anything in the shop that is 36 calories. So it's entirely possible that I've been slightly less than accurate in some of my lunch data over the last few weeks. But, you know, it has shown me some really interesting things about my diet. Apparently 64% of my nutritional value is coming from tea and Jaffa cakes, so quite pleased about that, because obviously there's fruit in there and also dairy, so that's two of the major food groups that I've got covered. So I think that's a good basis for me to build on in terms of monitoring my health, and we'll see how that goes as we go on. So calories been fine, but my absolute favourite, my favourite app in the whole world is my sleep app. I love this. This is something you put your phone underneath your pillow at night and it tells you how well you've slept, and it gives you all sorts of data about the quality of your sleep and how long you've slept and how having some wine and some cake impacts on the quality of your sleep and so on. So in terms of my data, I have slept a total of 25 nights, which has given me a total of 1.1 weeks in bed, which I think is fantastic. So it has made me ultra competitive. My personal best so far is last Saturday when I clocked up an amazing 10.49 hours, so hoping to beat that in the coming days. And it's not just about quantity, it does give you quality as well, so I'm up there at 85%. So yeah, I feel like I'm really doing well with this one. I think this is the very app for me. So we'll see how we do.